Hello everybody, hope everyone's having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel, guys. Yes, I got another new denim purse, I got another new jean purse. Of course, I got it on Amazon, and it just came a few minutes ago in the mail. I'm super excited. I really love this. It has so many pockets. It looks like it's very well made. Super duper, I love it. I'm so excited. I love the pockets. Yes, I got another denim purse. This is what it all looks like. This is what the back of it looks like. Super cute. I mean, it wasn't even that much. It was like under 20, I think. I'm definitely going to get the darker one as well. I definitely want to get the darker one that they have. It's super cute. So yeah, I got another jean purse, guys. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Remember to hit that notification bell. If you don't, you never know what I upload. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.